Hey everybody, it's Daniel with Dank Automotive Performance in Maryland. So I know a lot of you have been asking for a video of our pipe stoppers, what they look like installed. I figured pictures don't really do them justice, so here's a video for you guys to see. So first of all of the material used on these are billet aluminum. They're all CNC machined, and they are 25% bigger than the original Blitz ones that many of you are familiar with. If you look down here, I want to point out one of the key components between ours is on the top and on the bottom they have these collars, and these collars can be removed depending on the size of your pipe. So these come with the kit. It is fully adjustable for a smaller or a bigger pipe depending on what's on your car. The centerpiece right here, I'd like to point out, is double the length of the original Blitz one. It's 25% thicker. It is all stainless steel hardware components. And right now we have blue, black, silver, and red, and these are all anodized. Like I said, they're 25% bigger than the Blitz counterpart that many of you are familiar with, so that is the main significant difference. And they're all machined with 100% raw aluminum. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. For those of you that don't know the purpose of this, this is so you do not separate under boost or high boost pressure. A lot of times this will happen when people don't tighten down their couplers enough, or they're not using T-bolt clamps, or if you have an aftermarket turbo and you're pushing high boost applications. And sometimes it happens for no apparent reason. It doesn't really particularly have a specific reason, but it's happened to me a few times in the past when I had a Ralliart. So far since I've had this on, it hasn't happened to the Evo, but it's a small piece of insurance to make sure that it doesn't happen. Now, one thing I want to point out upon installation, when you do install these, they have nuts on the bottom of here, the top of the bolt right here. You have to hold these, they're all 10mm on the bottom. You have to hold them simultaneously while you tighten the bolts. Same thing goes for here. You need to hold the center section with a pair of channel locks. Make sure that you put on a rag or something on here to protect it so you don't scratch it, and then use a 10mm wrench to tighten these simultaneously. Once it's all tightened down and it's in place, it's not going anywhere. This is a solid piece of hardware. It does come with a warranty, so if you have any questions or whatnot, please feel free to get back to me.